Way back 2019, I was just 13 years old at that time. My mother passed away and my father has been in OFW ever since I was just a kid. Naging unemployed yung papa ko due to old age. My sister works at New Star and nalaman niya na may scholarship. And with that, chinat niya ako doon sa messenger like, baka gusto mo mag-apply, try mo lang, baka matanggap ka. It's very hard to look for a scholarship, and as someone na ABM and also in marketing, it is hard for me to look for a scholarship na magkikater sa field ko. Actually, nung nalaman ko na pumasa ako, yung una ko talagang pinuntahan is yung father ko. Like, it is very helpful talaga. Through the scholarship, it enables me to fund my daily needs without asking for help sa sister ko at sa father ko. And with that, I was able to give a little dun sa brother ko, especially since high school siya. Ang pinaka-important na lesson ko is to always be grateful for the resources that you have and to really maximize the blessings that you receive. I'm thankful that I was able to lift the financial burden sa sister ko. With this scholarship, I was able to not fully rely sa kanya.